Engage can convert your absence data to cost values based on an average cost per day lost. This can be calculated at a high level for the company, by job role, or by the individual. To calculate the cost value at any of the three levels, you can use our cost calculator at www.absencehub.com. Click Cost at the top to jump straight to the calculator link. The calculator can be used to calculate overall annual cost of absence for the company. It also provides a cost per day lost value. If you know your absence level, enter it here. Otherwise, use the default provided by the Office of National Statistics. It's very conservative, but gives you a starting point. If you're calculating a cost for a single person, you won't need to calculate average values. Enter 100% if the employee gets company sick pay, or 0% if they don't. If you're completing the calculation for the whole company, then estimate the company average. For example, 50% of employees are on contractual sick pay and 50% only receive SSP. A ballpark figure is fine here. The salary and replacement staff costs should be entered as hourly pay rates. We also need to know the length of a working day to complete the calculation. Complete all fields and enter your contact details to get your results. In the middle, you see an estimated annual total for your company. Beneath that, the sum is divided into sick pay and replacement costs. The cost per day lost value below them is the number we are interested in for now. It's £79.50p. If you've calculated an average cost for the company, you can enter this in your company preferences. All cost calculations in reports and the dashboard will automatically be updated to pick up the new cost value. If you calculated values for different job roles or individual employees, you should enter the values on the employee profiles. You can do this in the Employees section. The cost input is shown in the Additional Details section. The easiest option to enter cost values for a group of employees is to download your employee list first and add the cost values onto this spreadsheet. Once updated, you can upload the file back into Engage on the Data Upload page. The personal absence cost value will override a company average on reports and the dashboard. Any employees who don't have a personal cost value will still revert back to the company average.